Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the difference between C3 cycle and C4 cycle. There are following features between C3 and C4. First difference in favorable temperature. In C3 plants, favorable temperature is 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. In C4, favorable temperature is 30 to 45 degrees Celsius. Second difference in Crane's anatomy. In C4 plants, Crane's anatomy is present, but in C3, Crane's anatomy is absent. Because in C3 only mesophyll cells are present in the leaf. Third feature, first, stable compound. In C3 plants, first stable compound is phosphoglyceric acid, carbon, and in C4 plants first stable compound is oxaloacetic acid. Four carbon, in short, OAA. Fourth feature, CO2 receptor. In C3 plants is RUBP, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, 5 carbon, and in C4 plants CO2 receptor is phosphoenol pyruvate, 3 carbon. Next, site for CO2 fixation in C3 cycle. Site for CO2 fixation is in mesophyll cell. And in C4 cycle, in mesophyll and bundle sheath parenchyma due to presence of Crane's anatomy. Next difference, enzyme for carboxylation in C3 cycle only RUBP carboxylase enzyme is present, it means Rubisco. But in C4 cycle, two enzymes are found in leaves. First, PEPcase, it means phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme, and second, Rubisco in bundle sheath. But atmosphere CO2 fixation by only phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme in C4 cycle. Next, photorespiration, it means C2 cycle is present in C3 cycle, but it is absent in C4 cycle. Last feature, productivity. Production rate between C3 and C4 in C3 cycle, productivity is low due to photorespiration. It means due to C2 cycles, production rate is low compared to C4 cycle, but in C4 productivity is high due to absence of photorespiration or C2 cycle. Okay. So it is the difference between C3 and C4 cycle, but rate of production in photosynthesis is high in C4 cycle due to absence of photorespiration or C2 cycle. In C3 cycle, CO2 concentration is more, but in C4 cycle CO2 concentration is low. In C3 cycle temperature is low, but in C4 cycle temperature is high. So it is most important cycle in monocot plants. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the next topic. It means the next cycle of dark reaction is crassulacean acid metabolism or CAM cycle. Third metabolic topic, crassulacean acid metabolism. In short, CAM. This type of metabolism is studied on Crassulaceae or Crassulaceae family. That's why its named is Crassulacean acid metabolism. Example of Crassulacean family are Crassula plant, agave, opuntia, bryophyllum, echinocactus. It means all succulent plant begin the chem cycle. So, Crassulacean acid metabolism is found in all succulent plant. What are the features of succulent plants? These plants have thick and fleshy leaves. It means presence of mucilage show the succulency. So, leaves of these plants are thick, fleshy. Fleshy leaves is the characteristic features of succulent plants due to mucilage. Mucilage is a liquid present in succulent plants like opuntia, bryophyllum, agave, crassula, etc. But most important features of succulent plants, they have scotoactive stomata. Meaning of scotoactive stomata, it means night opening stomata. सुकुलेंट प्लांट के अंदर स्टोमेटा नाइट के टाइम ओपन होते हैं और डे टाइम क्लोज रहते हैं. सो CO2 fixation occurs at night time. Stomata are open during night time and remain closed during daytime because succulent plant are found in Xeric habitat. Xeric habitat means in xerophytic nature due to presence of thick epidermis and they are adapted to xeric environment for surviving, because if stomata are remain open during daytime, so plants cannot survive, because already in these plants water is less. So the plants are adapted to xeric habitat. As we know that in xeric habitat water deficiency present. So in chem cycle, decarboxylation or carboxylation occurs during night or daytime, but all steps of metabolism are resemble to C4 cycles. During night means carboxylation, during daytime decarboxylation. Okay. Let's see cyclic process. During night, CO2 in bicarbonate ion form enter in mesophyll cells. Stomata open during night time. So this type of stomata are known as scotoactive. And CO2 receptor is phosphoenol pyruvate, which is 3 carbon like C4. So phosphoenol pyruvate react with CO2 during night and converted into oxaloacetic acid in the presence of phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme. Pepcase carboxylation. Now oxaloacetic acid is reduced by NADPH2 and converted into malic acid or malate in the presence of malate dehydrogenase enzyme. malate dehydrogenase. Using of NADPS2 NADP+, and this malate or malic acid accumulate for some time waiting for day in vacuole. It means यदि नाइट का टाइम अभी है, डे नहीं हुआ है, तब तक मेलेट और मेलिक एसिड वैक्यूल्स में स्टोर रहता है. जैसे ही डे टाइम स्टार्ट होगा, मेलेट पास टू bundle seeds from vacuoles and decarboxylation take place. And converted into pyruvate or pyruvic acid due to releasing of 1 CO2, 3 carbon compound is formed and CO2 enter in C3 cycle. Like C4, and CO2 acceptor is RUBP, 5 carbon which run the C3 cycle. So decarboxylation or sugar formation during daytime, but CO2 fixation during नाइट टाइम. जैसे ही नाइट टाइम स्टार्ट होगा, पायरुविक एसिड पास बैक टू मेसोफिल सेल्स and from the phosphoenol pyruvate. So it is resemble to C4, but there is difference of night or daytime. Okay.